Good morning, student. In the last video we have studied the formula method for solving the quadratic equation and we have solved some solve example. Okay, so in this video we are going to start the practice set 2.4. Question number 1. In question number 1 they have asked you compare the given quadratic equation to the general form and write the values of a, b and c. So in the first question we have to compare with the general form, and we have already studied the general form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c, right, is equals to 0. Clear? And we have to find the value of a, b and c. So see, the first question of question number 1 is x square minus 7x plus 5 is equals to 0. So how you are going to write? Comparing x square minus 7x plus 5 is equals to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, right? We have to write the value of a, b and c. So here your a means coefficient of x square, that is your, there is no number means it's 1. B, here you have minus sign, so you are going to write minus 7, and c means your constant, which is 5. So this is how you are going to solve the question number 1 of the practice set 2.4. Now see the question number 2. Solve by using formula. Okay, so we know the formula, right? So let's just solve the question number 4 of question number 2. 5m square minus 4m minus 2 is equals to 0. So we have to find the roots of the quadratic equation by using the formula. Okay, so first we are going to compare this with the general form, right? We are going to comparing 5m square minus 4m minus 2 is equals to 0 with your general form, that is your ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So we will get the value of a, b and c. So here your a is 5, b is minus 4 and your c is minus 2, right? And now we are going to find the b square minus 4ac, which is equals to minus 4 square minus 4 into 5 into minus 2. Square of the negative number is always positive, so minus 4 square will be 16. Again minus minus plus 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. So you will get plus 40, and answer of this is 56, right? So your b square minus 4ac is equals to 56. Now we know the formula. What is formula? X square is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, right? Substitute the value. So you will get minus 4 minus of minus 4, because value of b is minus 4, plus minus under root 56 upon 2 into value of a is 5. Clear? Now minus minus plus, so you are going to write plus 4 plus minus under root 4 into 14 is 56 upon 2 5s are 10. Right, we are going to split this 56, right, and square root of 4 is 2, so this 2 will comes out and you will get 4 plus minus 2 under root 14 upon 10, right. Now take out the 2 common. Here 2 is common, so I'm just going to rub this. So here you will get x is equals to 4 plus minus 2 under root 14 upon 10. Two ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. So your x value is 2 plus minus under root 14 upon 5. So here your two values of x. First one is 2 plus under root 14 upon 5, or x is equals to 2 minus under root 14 upon 5 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. So these two are the roots of given quadratic equation. Clear? So this is how you are going to solve the quadratic equation by formula. Okay. Now see the question number 3. They have given you the flow chart in question number 3. The rest process is same. So we'll directly solve the equation. In question number 3, they have given you the flow chart, and the equation is x raised to 2 plus 2 under root 3x plus 3 is equals to 0. First step, right? Step 1, you are going to compare this with your general form ax square plus bx plus c. So you will get a is equals to 1, b is equals to 2 under root 3 and c is equals to 3. The next step is you have to find the value of b square, right? Step 2, right? You have to find the value of b square minus 4ac, which is equals to 2 under root 3 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 3. So square of 2 is 4. Root 3 square will be 3 only, minus 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12, so your answer is 0. So your b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. Okay, you are getting 12 minus 12. So therefore b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. Next step, we have to find the value of x, which is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Substitute the value, you will get minus value of b is 2 under root 3 plus minus under root 0, right, upon 2 into a is 1. Clear? So your root is minus 2 root 3 upon 2. So 2 get cancelled. So your answer is minus root 3. Right? So minus root 3 is the root. So your final answer is minus root 3 are the root of given quadratic equation. Okay? I hope you all understood the formula method.